All right, we just got this in the mail. Let's check it out and see what we got. Got a special pad for it. And this looks like the wiring. So you've got a ground, you got a hot neutral. And yeah, wow. Check that out. That looks nice. Set it right there. I am liking it. It comes with the anchors and screw nuts and a bracket. So you put this on the wall and then that slides right in there like that, I believe. Or we'll figure it out. Might have to read the directions. And it does come with these directions. This is a barn light instructional manual. So we can go ahead and set this up and see what we think about it. Basically, this is it. Switch off, screw, attach, and Bob is your uncle. All right, so that is the unboxing. Let's go ahead and get this off of there. And yeah, it looks good. Shouldn't be too hard. So I could connect this directly to the back and then have it come right off of the fascia. So it'd be facing down. Here's some stats on it. This is the back of it here. I do believe that's where those two slide right into it. All right, so anyway, when we do the installation on this, basically this is gonna go in like that, right? It's gonna set this way, of course, because the light's gotta go down. And then you have to put your screws through here and here into your screw holes in your wall. And this kind of catches it right there. And that's how it sets on there. And it'll be on the wall like that. You follow me? Just like that. Yep, not too hard. All right, now we just gotta find a spot to put this thing. You know what I mean? Jelly beans? It. Very nice product though. I mean, I gotta tell you, nice and strong. All right, let's set that there. And now we've just got to install it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Get off of there. Peace out.